the road again.
So, estamos on the road again. Estábamos en Home Depot y decidimos que before the bill, we need to try the van, right? Right?
Yes.
We sold our SUV because now we're gonna build this beautiful baby. Thanks, honey. Right?
Yes.
So we decided to go home and pack a bunch of stuff and then go and drive to La Playa.
Sarasota, baby.
Yay, Sarasota! Let's go! Hey you!
What's up?
Aquí estamos frente al mar.
Beachfront.
Yes. Very inexpensive. We found a spot. Estamos aquí en frente,
Side of the road.
on the side of the road, frente a un hotel. And this is where we're gonna spend the night. So
Thank you, Holiday Inn.
thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. Night night. Peace.
Morning.
We just met this super cool lady. She and her husband, they rented a van and they travel around Florida and they had a blast. So good luck to you guys. Today is my daddy's birthday, so papi, if you're watching this video, happy birthday to you. Me encantaría que hubiésemos estado juntos, but with this COVID situation it's impossible right now, but we love you so much and we are gonna celebrate for you.
Yeah.
Or celebrate you today. Love you. Bye.